Hey guys, today I'm going to show you how to blur the background of your clip in DaVinci Resolve. Let's get started. With the clip loaded in your timeline, go ahead and open the color page. Now in the node panel, click on the first node, then press Alt+S to add a new serial node. Next, let's create a mask around the person. Head over to the Window tab, select the Curve tool, and start drawing a mask around your subject. Once you've finished masking, go to the Tracker tab and click on Track Forward. DaVinci will automatically track the movement for you. If you notice the mask isn't perfectly tracked, it's likely due to too much motion in the clip. But no worries. Just click on the frame icon here to switch to frame-by-frame mode and manually adjust the mask where needed. If you have the Magic Mask feature in the Studio version of DaVinci Resolve, this process becomes way easier. Next, go to the Node panel, right-click on Node 2, hover over Add Node, and select Add Outside. Then, in the Effects panel, drag Gaussian Blur onto the new node. You can adjust the blur strength by tweaking it here. And that's it. If you found this helpful, give it a like, subscribe for more, and don't forget to tap the bell.